palmistry reading of a male whose age is 26. We would be talking about the 7 points. The heart line plays a major role in our life. The work he wanted to know regarding work in a foreign country. He's into family business. He wanted to know regarding his health and financial stability and the marriage part. And I would also be talking about the Mercury line. Mercury line is a very important line, and it plays a major role in our life. So that's the reason why Mercury is that I would be speaking about. Before I start the video, I would request you to press the bell icon on YouTube. Don't miss another update. You can call me or you can email me. These are the phone numbers that are mentioned on the screen. And now we straight away head to this particular hand image that we have in front of us. Generally, people wonder why I talk about the heartline first, because heartline plays a major role in our success or failure. Just imagine your physical heart. If your physical heart is weak, the chances for disappointments and problems affecting you would increase. The physical means the physical aspect of the heart as well as the emotional side as well. So if the heartline is perfect, by the heartline perfect, I basically mean is that the heartline should be deep and clear and singular. Whenever we find a line something similar to this, it would indicate, certainly it would indicate success. It means that the person is able to handle stress, handle anxiety, and remain focused in his life. There are small these branch like things. These are a little bit negative, but these are so small that we can ignore it completely. So we don't have to take into account the line, the branches that are hanging, a very small branches. These can be ignored very easily. See, if we are looking for important qualities in a person's palm, and it is said like in Bhagavad Gita that we should practice detachment. Practice detachment doesn't mean that you basically go to Himalayas and leave everything. Practicing detachment is like being in a moment without having expectation of the outcome. So when there's a line of heart that is very simple, you would notice that in both the hands it is similar, it's not anything different. So if the line of heart is very simple, the chances are that the person practices detachment. And detachment, I have already explained the meaning of detachment in Bhagavad Gita is being in a moment without having expectation of the outcome. So a person who doesn't keep expectations from people or the work they are doing, the chances for their success basically increase. And this has been in the past, present, and future. It's going to remain the same throughout the life. People, when they come up for a palmistry reading, what they generally want to know about is the money line. This is the money line. I normally tell people that money line does play a part in our finances, but at the same time, even the heart line can tell regarding our finances as well. So the heart line that is ending on the Mount of Saturn, this is the Mount of Saturn. Mount of Saturn is basically for money, possession, and wealth. It is for responsibility. It is for wisdom. It is for being grounded and knowing the ground situations very well. Such a person is likely to angle towards money. The person is likely to manage money much better compared to a person if this heartline was reaching somewhere close to the Mount of Jupiter. It would mean that the person is idealistic. Now, such a person is not an idealistic. Such a person is basically a realistic person. And being realistic comes from Saturn. See, every time we all have got very limited resources. So we have to make the best use of our limited resources. And a person who has a good amount of Saturn with the heartline angling pointing towards the Mount of Saturn, the chances are such a person would automatically value money, and the person would manage their money much better compared to a person whose heartline is disturbed. So such a person having a singular line of heart means focus. If there were many branches, strong branches hanging downwards on the headline, then it would mean like flirtatious nature. Such a person is not flirtatious. I'm just explaining to you what those lines would mean, the importance of the heart line. So a heart line that is very neat and clean is likely to bring benefit. There's just a very small break in the heart line somewhere under the mount of Saturn, mount of Sun. Because the break is very small, we can ignore it completely, although the break in the heart line could mean eyes or heart related issues. Heart related issues we can say with much more certainty if the nails are extremely small. When I say small, they are extremely, when they are extremely small, only then we can say with certainty that the person may have heart related issues. But I don't think that such thing applies in this particular person's case. Now he wanted to know regarding, will he be able to work in a foreign country? And to look for indications on your palm, we straight away look at the line of money. Whenever the money line starts on the mount of moon, this is the mount of moon. The moon correlates with the oceans. See, because of the moon, there are tides, and tides are basically mainly seen in the ocean, and it basically connects different continents. So a money line that originates on the mount of moon, the chances are that such a person is likely to benefit if they work far away from their birthplace. See, this is just one possibility. Do not think that this is the only possibility that may arise due to the money line starting on the mount of moon. Whenever the line of money, the line of fate in palmistry starts on the mount of moon, it basically signifies that the person is likely to benefit from trading activity. He did tell me that he's into manufacturing, but still I'm saying trading activity, service industry. Those are the lines that are going to bring much more beneficial. Mother, whatever suggestion the mother gives, those are likely to be more beneficial. Sister, maybe wife, and having a girl child would bring much more benefit to this particular person. And staying far away from their birthplace may also bring much more benefits, or maybe trading activity, or just maybe associations with foreign countries. So this is what is represented, or in a white collar job, or in a white or into white products. Now he did mention that probably he is into iron wires or something like that. So this is what, see, because he mentioned wires and metals, we would take a look at the mount of Saturn. Saturn is basically for iron or iron related products. If there are few lines over the mount of Saturn, very few lines, it is considered to be a very good sign, because lesser the lines over the mount of Saturn means less negative aspects that get applied to Saturn. See, Saturn is a very slow moving planet. Imagine this circle is the sun and Saturn is revolving around the sun. This is Saturn revolving around the sun. So many people, they have got crisscrossing lines over it, many crisscrossing lines over this particular area. Those are negative signs. Imagine I'm trying to put those lines on the path of Saturn. It is kind of roadblocks. And if there are roadblocks in the path of Saturn, the speed of Saturn is going to slow down further. Or in the first place, Saturn takes a long time to revolve around the sun, and if there are many roadblocks in the path of Saturn, automatically it becomes much more tiresome for this particular person. So because there are very few lines over the mount of Saturn, the chances are that roadblocks are not going to be there in his life. So this is what the right hand is showing. Now we move on to the left hand. Now you would notice in the left hand, the line that we saw in the right hand was starting from here and ending somewhere till here. So it was a consistent line. But in this particular case, what is happening is that the money line is kind of ending before it touches the line of head. So it is kind of ending before it touches the line of head. So this age, if it touched the headline, the age would have been 35. So the money line is, the fate line is ending before the age of 35, approximately at the age of 32. I do see a small lines out here and no line on the Mount of Saturn. So do not worry about this particular aspect. Sometimes I find that having no money line can bring even better result compared to having a money line. So absence of the money line could mean unlimited possibilities. Take a look at the hand of Serena Williams, Oprah Winfrey, very famous people and billionaires. They do not have a money line as such. Maybe even Akshay Kumar doesn't have a money line, a proper money line. So don't think you need to have a money line, only then things are going to be good. Absence of the line could also mean very good aspect as well. We wanted to know one more thing, that is family business and health. So when the money line is good and everything is fine, the chances are everything is going to remain good. As far as health goes, we look at the heart line. If the heart line is simple, deep and clear, without any problems, the health is going to be good from the point of view of the heart. If the headline is neat and clean, the mental process, the thought process are going to be predictable. And sometimes, see, problems can arise any place on your palm. It can be mental issues, it can be emotional issues, or health issues. So for health issues, we have to look at both these lines, and at the same time we have to look at the lifeline as well. Now the lifeline as such is deep and clear and singular without any breaks, so we can automatically say this is the line of life, because the quality of the lifeline is good and it is encircling the mount of Mars negative and the mount of Venus. These are very important planets for the health. Mars is for your fire within you, and Venus is the energy, stamina, vitality, and the desires within you, and the stamina and vitality. So if these two planets do not have unnecessary lines over it, it doesn't have unnecessary lines over it, automatically we can say with certainty that the person is not going to misuse his fire. First thing, if the person is not misusing the fire and not getting angry over wrong issues, the chances for that their stomach is going to remain good, and because the stomach is good, the chances stomach and digestion are good, so automatically the health is likely to be good. And this is the area of Venus. Venus is all about energy and stamina and vitality. If there were unnecessary crisscrossing lines over it, unnecessary, and those two touching the lifeline, then we would have said something related the bad health. So we don't find that particular aspect. And he mentioned regarding the family business. Now we can't say with much certainty about the family business, but I can say with certainty that when the person gets married, probably then few changes are likely to take place, and after marriage things can look up even further. Maybe lady luck is going to shine on this particular person, because the money line starts on the mount of Moon, and in palmistry, money line starting on the mount of Moon automatically means benefits from woman, and most likely person is going to be the wife. So this is one way of looking at regarding the health point of view. From the health point of view, another area that we have to look at is the health line. This is the line of Mercury. This is also sometimes called the line of health. So these lines are very neat and clean. Sometimes if these lines were wavy kind and broken, so that's when our digestion goes bad, and that's the reason why our liver functions in the wrong way. But we don't find those kind of indications. The only small indication that I can say about the health point of view is that this is the lifeline, and there's a small branch moving towards the mount of Moon. So this portion of life somewhere close to the age of 60, that's when few problems may arise. But the line, this branch that is hanging downwards and pointing towards the base of the palm, could mean other aspects as well, like the person may get restless, and it might mean health loss or wealth loss during that particular period. But I can't say with very much certainty that this is purely and purely moving towards the Mount of Moon, because it appears that this line kind of curves a little bit inward. So if this is the case, it is a good sign, because a bigger semicircle of the lifeline is always good, because it increases our energy and stamina and vitality. So what I have mentioned out here is, if the line points towards the Mount of Moon, then it's a bad indication, but if it encircles, then it is a good indication. So I'll just take a look at the left hand as well. Sometimes we find similar kind of indications showing up in the left hand as well. So in this hand also, there's a small branch like thing pointing towards the Mount of Moon. So, and there's a small branch pointing towards the Mount of Moon. Otherwise, the quality of the lifeline is good. I can say with certainty that the health is likely to remain good in this particular person's case. The person also wanted to know regarding the financial stability and the marriage part. So when we look at the line of heart, because the line of heart is neat and clean, the chances for stability in their marriage and even in their profession remains. See, people who are not committed, those are the ones, basically they keep on flirting with different work and different professions and different relationship. Now this person, because he's committed and because he's focused, the chances for stability in his finances and marriage are going to remain, because as such the other lines also, the money line is stable, the heart line is stable, the headline is stable, the Mount of Saturn is stable, and no other area of the palm appears to be badly marked. So that's the reason I would say things are likely to remain stable on all fronts. See, for marriage also, sometimes what people they kind of have broken kind of a money line. So broken kind of a money line may bring about instability in their profession as well as finances. So if there's instability in one's profession, the likely outcome is your family life is also likely to get disturbed, because if there is no money, there would be fight, and because there fight, the chances for wrong things happening in your marriage basically increase. So that's the reason I would say with certainty there is stability in one's life. Do not worry about any such aspect. I would end the video after I explain this particular aspect. These 2 points that I am also going to describe out here. I would be talking about the Mercury line under the smallest finger, the pinky finger, and upward line from the headline pointing towards the Mount of Mercury. So these 2 points are very important points to refer to. Now you'd notice that there's a small, this is the line of head and this is the line of money. So there's a small branch that is kind of pointing towards the Mount of Mercury. So any line pointing upward from the headline towards the Mount of Mercury is a excellent condition to have. What happens is that upward lines bring benefits, and if there was a downward line pointing towards the Mount of Moon, then it would bring disappointment. So something good is likely to happen somewhere close to the age of 35, because this intersection is age 35 of the head and the money line, the fate line. This intersection is age 35. So there could be some jubilation, there could be success. The person might go for further self-education or other kind of education, bringing him benefits. He might retrain and gain some more technical expertise. You don't need to go to a college, but this expertise can come by your own efforts or any other way as well. So there's one line upward and there's another line upward pointing towards the Mount of Mercury. You would also notice that there's an upward line pointing towards the Mount of Jupiter. This is considered to be pointing towards the Mount of Jupiter. Jupiter is a big planet. Big planet means growth, expansion in your life, honor in your life. So such a person is always targeting towards this particular aspect. So the likely outcome is that because the person targets towards higher position and honor, so the person would automatically get more position and honor. Towards the end of the headline, you would notice that there's a branch like thing. Whenever we find a branch like thing, book says, palmistry book says that the person could be a genius. So it is a good sign. And if these lines are very neat and clean towards the end, it means a very stable mental portion of one's life. This is after the age of 35. So if there's stability in the headline, the likely outcome is everything is going to be stable, and that's the reason why everything is good in such a person's case. Now lastly, I did mention regarding the Mercury line. See, there are two Mercury lines I would talk about. One is the Mercury line starting somewhere from here, from the close to the line of money, and there's a money triangle forming. So money triangle forming is considered to be a good sign, but at the same time, this money triangle is not a very complete, because there's a break somewhere out here. If these lines were continuity, there was a continuity in the line, then we would have said much better. But still, because we find that there's a money triangle, automatically things are going to be good. So even if there's a small break, so minor break doesn't matter much, and the benefits are likely to start coming to this particular person from somewhere close to this particular age on the money line. So if this age is if this is 35, so this particular age could be the age the person is traveling in, probably 27, 28. That's the approximate, I would say. Now money triangle is considered to be good because it is pointing towards three fingers. Saturn is for money, Sun is for creativity, art, risk taking, and Mercury is for skill. So the reason why we say Mercury money triangle is good, because energies are penetrating the fingers, or light is penetrating the fingers and entering the palm. When they enter the palm, they enter your life, and these energies get accumulated, different energies. These are technical energies. This is risk taking, and the third is money management, wisdom. So they are getting accumulated out here. So this point becomes a significant period in one's life, and the person is likely to benefit out of it. It's not, try to understand, it is not luck that is bringing everything. It is basically your own efforts, your own technical skills, and own mental stability. This is technical abilities, this is mental stability, and financial stability. All these three combined give benefits. It's not purely luck. Now lastly, these perpendicular lines that I was referring to, these perpendicular lines, these are considered to be good lines, because perpendicular lines over the amount of Mercury means that the person is sharpening their skills. Now these lines are I won't say these lines are very strong kind of lines, but still they are quite visible. So it means that they are reasonably strong. So it means that the person would have a reasonably strong set of skills. And perpendicular lines over the amount of Mercury means one line means one skill, two lines means two, three lines means three different set of skills. So don't think, one more thing I need to add out here, do not think that more lines means better. Even one single line is good enough for success. You don't need to have multiple lines in order to get success. And it's just that it should be more deep. The deeper the line, the more the person is sharpening their skills, and automatically more benefits. As far as the career line goes, the career line is the sun line, and it's quite dim out here, and beyond and above the heart line, this portion of the sun line is much more stronger. So a strong sun line after the age of 53 automatically converts into more success in the later portion of life. This is what the book says, but I have come to the conclusion, if the line of sun is good under the fingers and above the heart line, it covers the whole life, and not necessarily only and only after the age of 53. Generally the calculation for the sun line is something like this. This is age headline, and sun line is age 35, heart line and intersection of heart line and sun line is age 53, and this is 53 and beyond. This is 35 to 53. So you would notice that somewhere in the middle of the head and the heart line, the sun line is a little bit dim. Dimmed sun lines means few doubts. But I can basically ignore these small issues, because as such the quality of the hand is good. Just by looking at one line, we can't come to the final conclusion. We have to look at all aspects of your palm to come to the conclusion. So that's the reason why, even if one line is not so good, during a few years, it doesn't matter much. Lastly, I would repeat few things that I repeat in almost every video. Importance of money line is just 15% in regarding the finances. So we have to look at almost at every aspect of your palm to come to the conclusion. The heart, the head, life, sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, or any other line can tell about the money aspect. I've already explained regarding this particular aspect. A saint once said, you don't need to go to an astrologer or a palmist to know about your future, because you already know your future. Present is a result of past. How will be my future? Future depends upon what you are doing in the present. What are we? We are product of our thoughts. So the thoughts that come to our mind are really important. Keep positive thoughts and keep good company. That's what matters the most. The company matters the most. Sometimes the hand is perfect, but the person doesn't have a good company. And if the person doesn't have a good company, the likelihood is that even with the every good aspects may not get applied. So in his case, he's likely to meet good people only because the heart line is good and it's pointing towards the Mount of Saturn. So the likelihood is everything is going to be good. So it's a very good hand. And thanks for watching this video. If you have any particular questions, people who are watching this video, you can ask your questions down below in the comment section. Don't ask for a free reading, just ask questions. Thanks, bye, and take care.